Alright, what is up, tractor lovers? So I'm here today with something new. And if you follow my Instagram page, you've seen some progress pictures of this build, but here it is all finished up. So this is a Westfield 131WR auger. So this is like an unloading auger for your grain bins or things like that, to load into your semi-trucks. So these were highly requested, and we've got a few of these together now, finally. Very, very limited, though. So, anyway, I just want to run you through this auger because it turned out awesome. So the first thing, this is not 3D printed. This is made out of metal. So it is pretty heavy for a little toy. And, that gives it some substantial strength and all that stuff. So, if you 3D printed this, you'd have to worry about warping your auger, and all these parts would be probably warped, and half of them would break as they come to you from Shapeways, and all of that. So, anyway, there it is. There's the auger, if you will. So, kind of the key features here, one is, I guess the big one, is it slides up, like so, and down, like so. It'll go farther than that. You just kind of got to, I don't want to say force it, but persuade it a little bit. And then, so I've painted this silver from the pictures the best I can see it is. I painted the spout red up there. And then I'm just gonna tilt this so you can kind of see some of the detail through here. Some just really nice detail. And then we've got the cage here on the back, and you can see the auger flighting in there if you look real closely as well. So now, if we head over to this side, see that? The PTO shaft comes down, and then, I don't know, let me find a little tractor here. It would, sort of, kind of go in there, like so. Something like that. So anyway, that's that. That is, a quick look at the WR131. Just a short couple minute video here, but I think you guys will like it. And like I said, if you need one, CD Models is a good place to get them. I'm gonna have a very limited amount, so you can hit me up on Instagram or Facebook if you want, for the love of tractors. Like I said, I'm going to have a very limited amount of these, though, and they're going to go fast, so you better jump on it if you want one. Anyway, just wanted to show you that, and hope you like it. Thanks for watching.